So if we go over to Unreal and we want to import it, the best way to do that, or at least one way you can do that, I'm not going to say the best, is we can go and look at all of the content in our content thing library. We can go and put a filter on, and we can go to miscellaneous, and we can turn on Houdini asset right near the bottom. And then we're going to see all of the stock HDAs that come with the Houdini engine, and we just care about the Houdini BGO import. So much like we did with the exporter we built, we're going to instantiate this at the origin. And then we're going to go and find that file that we wish to import. So I can go and copy this path and find those workshop cliffs. And the minute that we wire this up, it's going to start thinking. And there we have it. We've imported our cliffs in kind of one pass, and you can see that if we go to the outliner, actually at the moment they're all just stored as proxy geometry on the Houdini asset, so we should just address that quickly as well. We're going to go to the Houdini BGO import. We're going to say remove HDA output after bake. We're going to say replace previous bake, yes, and auto bake to true as well, and then we're going to just hit bake. This is now saving all of those cliff geometries, except that something has gone wrong. So the issue, as I see it, is that they've all kind of export with the same name. So they've all been set to have the name 0. So let's just go and double check the output name on the geometry. This will probably show us the issue. Elderwood cliffs 0. So we need to go ahead and make sure we're not deleting that cluster attribute before we assign it to the geometry. We go ahead and hit save to disk once more. And if we now go back to our BGO import and just hit recook, it's now not only going to import all of the new rock geometries, it's going to automatically bake them and replace the previous outputs as well. There we go. Okay, and then we have it. So after a little wait on the import there, we have our geometry inside of Unreal. You can see that the rocks sit nicely on the terrain, and if you've assigned a nice material to them, then they should blend in pretty well. There are some issues. You can see that we have these sort of floating rock sections from time to time, which need to be addressed. and we'll probably deal with these last little issues in the next part of the video, where we will also talk about how you can set up a material on your rocks as well to make sure that they're looking okay. And we'll go into a little bit of how that was made.